Hello friends, this is Bhagat Singh. Welcome back to channel BRILL Learnings. Today in this video I will cover previous maths questions related to CTET Paper 2 which was conducted in the month of January 2024. X varies inversely as y here. So x is inversely proportional to y. Remove this proportionality. X1 is equal to some constant, proportionality constant, and y1. Okay. X1 and y1, the product of these two values is equal to some constant k here. For all x and y values, the product should be equal to some constant. That is why x1 y1 is equal to x2 y2 also. They have given x value 3.5 2.4 in first case, 3.5 as x1 and 2.4 y value. We need to find the value of y2. Okay, y2 value is equal to 3.5 into 2.4 by 5.6. Cancel all these values. Y2 is equal to 0.6, 4 1s are 4 4s are. Okay, remove 0 here, so 3s are 7s are 7 1s are 7, 0.5, these are 15, 1. So y2 value is 1.5 here. Second one is the right answer. Let's move to the next question. They have given curved surface area. Okay, for formula for curved surface area is 2 pi r h, which is equal to 4400. Okay, from here we can get the value of h. How? They have given circumference as well. What is the circumference? 2 pi r is nothing but circumference. So it is 1110 into h is equal to 4400. H is equal to 4400 by 110. 0 cancel, 11 4 0. So here h is 40 centimeter. Now find the value of radius. So they have given perimeter. Perimeter is nothing but 2 pi r, which is equal to 110. Base perimeter they have given. From here we can get the value of radius. So 1110 by 2 into pi means 22 by 7. Okay, now cancel these. So 2 1s are 255 times, 11 2s are 11 5s are, so 35 by 2. Radius is 35 by 2. Now find the volume. What is the volume formula? Pi r square into h. That is our volume. So pi means 22 by 7, r square means 35 by 2 into 35 by 2, and h is 40 centimeter. All values are in centimeters only. Now cancel all these values. Okay, so 2 1s are 220, 2 1s are 2 10s are. Okay, 7 5s are. Okay, 22 into 5 into 35 into 10. But the answer they have given in meter cube. So we need to convert whole value in meter cube. So this value in centimeter cube, right? In order to convert this value into meter cube, I have to divide with 100 for 3 times. Why? It is 3-dimensional figure. Okay, that is volume is 3-dimensional. That is why I have to divide. That means 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeters, right? So that is why I am dividing this whole value with 100 for 3 times, because it is a 3-dimensional. So now cancel. 5 1s are 5 20s, 10 1s are 10 2s are, 2 1s are 2 11s are. So next 5 7s are 5 20s. Anything else? Nothing. So now multiply 11 into 7. That is equal to 77 by 2000 here. So 2000. What bring this 1000 aside, and 77 by 2. 2 1s are 2 3s are 6, 2 8s are 6 5s are. So it is 38.5 by 1000, which is equal to 0.0385 meter cube. So second one is the right answer here. Let's move to the next question. The box opened at the top made up of wooden thickness 3 centimeter. Okay, so This is the wooden box here, which is open top. That is open, not closed. Okay, they have initially given 148 centimeter length, breadth is 116 centimeter, and height is 83 centimeter, and which has the thickness of 3 centimeter here. So in order to paint the inner surface area at 150 rupees per meter square, so what will be the cost? Okay, total cost we need to find, but thickness is 3 centimeters. So new dimensions for which we need to paint. I'm drawing here. So if you observe length, here 3 centimeter thickness, here 3 centimeter thickness will be deleted here. Okay, we left with 142 only inner. Okay, because it has 3 centimeter thickness. Here also if you observe, breadth also 3 centimeter and 3 centimeter inner, it will be removed. In that case I left with 110 only. Height will be 80 only. Why? Because on the top it is open ended, it is open, that is why no need to remove 3 centimeters on the top. We can remove the bottom only. Okay, it is enough to remove bottom thickness only. That is, if I remove 3 centimeters from it, I'll get the inner surface area. Okay, that is 80 centimeter. This is the new dimension. For this we need to find the surface area. Total surface area in the sense, bottom will be one face, sides will be two faces, front and back. Total we have 5 faces here. Okay, we need to calculate the total surface area for that. Okay, front to back 142 centimeter length. Okay, front, this height into 8. I have 2 faces front to back, so that is why I am multiplying with 2. And sides, this portion 110 into height, so 2 portions 110 into 80, and top bottom portion means this portion means 142. This is, sorry, this is plus here, 142 and 110. So total surface area. First find the value for this. Okay, if I add all these value, 142 into 160 plus 110 into 160, okay, plus 142 into 110. Multiply, solve these out, simplify these values. 167, 2 6 are 12, 6 4 are 24, 25, 6 1 are 6, 2 8. Okay, 1 2 are 2, 1 4 are 4, 1 1 are 1. So 2 7 12, 2 to 7 to 0 here. So this value comes out to be 22,720. And now simplify these two values as well. So if I take common 110 common here, I left with 160 plus 142. Okay, add up these two values. So 160, 142, 2, then 302. Now multiply this 302 with 110. Put this 0 aside. So 203, 302, 2, 2, 3, 3, 0. So this value comes up to be 33,220. Add up these two values. Okay, so add 22,720 here. So 04955. So total value comes up to be 55,940. Okay, this is in centimeter square, but for every 1 meter square 150 rupees will be charged, right? So convert this whole value into meter square first. So in order to convert, it is a 2-dimensional, right? So I have to divide this value with 2 times with 100. So 0 0, I left with 5,594 by 1000, which is 1 meter square. Okay, for 1 meter square how much cost they are charging? 5,594 by 1000 into 150. Now simplify these also. So 5 3s are 5 20s. Okay, now multiply these values. 3 4s are 12, 3 9s are 27, 28, 3 5s are 15, 15 to 17, 3 5s are 15 and 16 by 20. So 2 10s are 2 8s are 2 3s are 2 9s are 2 1s are. So 839.1 will be the right answer. So second one is the right answer here. Let's move on to the next question. In a triangle ABC DEF are given. So first to draw two triangles here. Both triangles we have to draw first. So in this, angle B is 90 degrees. So ABC, if I write this, and BC length is 8 centimeter they have given. Angle A is 40 degrees. This is first triangle. And now draw the another triangle also. Okay, in this triangle, angle F is 40 degrees, angle E is 90 degrees. So I am placing E here 90 degrees, and angle F I am placing here only 40 degrees. Okay, and they have given DE length DEF. So here also it is 8 centimeter only. If you observe these two triangles, these two are congruent to each other. Why? Because side are equal. Here also 90 degrees, here also 90 degrees. So these two are same, and here 40 degree, here 40 degree. Based on the angle side axioms, we can say that these two triangles are congruent to each other. So first option, if you see, triangle ABC is congruent to DEF. Wrong. ABC means A should be corresponds to E, B should be corresponds to E, and C. That is why triangle ABC congruent to triangle A corresponds to F, B corresponds to E, and D. So triangle ABC congruent to triangle FED, and based on angle side axiom. So fourth one is the right answer here. Let's move on to the next question. Three consecutive integers are such that when they are taken in increasing order are multiplied by 3, 5, 2 respectively, and they add up to 99. Okay, first to take consecutive numbers 3, x plus 1, x plus 2, and multiplied by 3, 5 and 2 respectively, and we need to add these three values, which gives us 99. Now simplify this. 3x plus 5x plus 5 plus 2x plus 4 is equal to 99. So 3x 8x 8x 10x 10x plus 9 is equal to 99. X equal to 10, x equal to 90, x equal to 9. Now finally we need to find what is the sum of original first and third integer. First integer is x, third integer is x plus 2, which is 9 plus 11 gives us 20. So third one is the right answer. Let's move on to the next question. If a 8-digit number is divisible by 72, then which of the following statement is not true? Here they are given 8-digit number is divisible by 72 means it has to be divisible by 9 and 8 as well. Why? Because 72 can be represented in the form of the product of 9 and 8. Okay, what is the divisibility rule of 8? 8 last 3 digit of a number should be the multiple of 8. That is the divisibility rule of 8 here. So write down last 3 digits 9-2. Now we need to substitute the y values in the given option in this blank field and check the divisibility of 8, whether this number is a multiple of 8 or not. Okay, so let's check. First, in the first option y value is 5, so put 5 value here. 8 ones are 8, 1 5 is left, 8 ones are 8, 7 is left, 8 nines are, so this is okay. Second one, 92 by 8, 8 ones are 8, 8 twos are 16, 8 fours are 32, this is also okay. Third one, 952, here also y value is 5, that is why it is also okay. Last one, let's check the last one, 900 12 by 8. 8 ones are 8. How much? 8 ones are 8, 32, 8 fours are. It is also 8. For all y values, the given number is the multiple of 8. So now let's check the divisibility rule of 9 here. What is the divisibility rule of 9? The sum of all digits should be divisible by 9. That is the divisibility rule here. So first add up all these values. So 9 plus 4 plus 7 plus 1 plus x value blank only. 9 plus y value also keep it blank only, and 2. First add the fixed values. Okay, these are all fixed values. 9 plus 9, 18. 18 plus 7 plus 2 means 9. 27, 27 4, 31 plus 1. Here also 1. So 32. Total value is 32. Now we need to substitute both values, x value and y value, at a time here in these two fields. Option wise, put 8 here and 5 here. First 13. So add this 13 in the first option. So it is 45. This option is okay. It is the multiple of 45 is the multiple of 9. So first one is right answer only. Second one, in x place we need to put 4 and in y place 9. Here also 13 only. So add up this 13 value to 32. That is also multiple of 9 only. Let's check the third option. 9 plus 5, that is 9 plus 5, 14. If I add 14 to 32, which gives me 46, which is not a multiple of 9. So third one is the right answer here. Let's check the fourth option as well. For x value, y value, they have given 3 plus 1, 4. If I add 4 to 32, which gives me 36, and this is also multiple of 9. That is why third one is the right answer here. Let's move on to the next one. We need to find what will be the angle of sector representing apples. First find the total number of apple fruits here. Okay, 44 plus 56 plus 42 plus 30 plus 38, which is equal to 210. Total 210 fruits are here. So this 210 fruits equal to 360 degrees in a circle, and total number of apples we have as 56 only. This represents how much sector portion? That is a question here. Now cancel these values. 200, 7 3s are, sorry, 3 7s are, 3 12s are, 7 1s are, 7 8s are, 8 times it's coming. So here also 8 times. So 96 degrees. This 56, these apples represents apple. 56 apple represents 96 degrees. This 56 apples represents 96 degrees angle of sector. The lengths of parallel sides of trapezium are, they have given, this is 25 and this is 11. The distance between these two lengths is 2. Okay, now split like this. First triangle, second triangle. Find the area of this trapezium. Half into, what is base for first triangle? That is 11. Height is 12. Plus second triangle, half into base is 25 and height is 12. Okay, half into 12 with common. Now 11 plus 25, which gives me 30. 12 ones are, 2 ones are, 2 6 are. So 36 6 are 216. This is my area. Okay. Trapezium area is equal to the area of the rectangle whose sides are in the ratio of 3:2. Okay, the ratio is given as 3:2. So the product of these length and breadth, 3x into 2x, is equal to the area of trapezium. 6x square is equal to 216. X square is equal to 216 by 6. 6 1s are, 6 3s are, 6 6 are. So x is equal to 6 here. Now what we need to find, what is the perimeter of a rectangle? Perimeter means length and, first find the length and breadth here. Length is 3 times x, that is 18, and breadth is 2 times it, that is 12. So perimeter is equal to 2 times of length plus breadth, which is 30, 32 are 60. So 60 is the right answer. Third one is the right answer. Let's move on to the next. What is the sum of the coefficients of x square and x? First, add up a plus b plus c value. What is a here? Minus 2x square plus 12x. And what is b value here? Plus 11 minus 8x plus 3x square. And what is c value? Plus 17 minus 4x square. Okay. First add up these three values and then subtract b value. Okay. Minus 2x square plus 3x square minus 4x square minus 6x square, these two, and 3x square. That means net minus 3x square. Okay. 12x minus 8x, that means 4x only, plus 4x, and 11 plus 17, 18, 28, here 28. Now from these value we need to subtract d value, that is x square minus x minus 3 minus x minus 3. Okay, so change signs here. Why? Because I am subtracting. So now take the net value, minus 4x square plus 5x plus 31. This is the final expression. Now what is the sum of the coefficients of x square and x? What is the coefficient of x square? Minus 4, and coefficient of x means 5. Sum gives me 1 here. So third one is the right answer. Let's move on to the next. In a triangle PQR, angle P and QR length is given. Which of the following cases triangle PQR can be an obtuse scalene triangle here? So obtuse angle triangle means one of the angle out of three angles in a triangle should be greater than 90 degree. First property. Now for being a scalene triangle, all sides should be different. Okay. These two property, based on these two properties, we'll check all these options one by one. So first option, angle R is given 25 degrees, and initially in the question angle P is given as 35. If I add these two values, I'll get 80 here, and the third angle will be 100. That means one angle is greater than 90 degree out of three angles. First property is okay. If we check PQ length here, in the first option it is 18, but in the question they have given QR as 18. For scalene triangle, all sides should be different. So first one is wrong. Let's check the third one. They have given angle R as 65 degrees. In the question, angle P is given as 55. That means if I add these two values, I'll get 120. And another angle will be 60 degrees only. That means all angles are less than 90 degrees. That is acute triangle. It is not a obtuse triangle. So this is also not correct option. Let's check the fourth one. They have given angle R as 35 degrees. 35 degrees. In the question, angle P as 55. So add up these two values, 90 degrees. So other third angle will be 90 degrees only. That means it is a right angle triangle. And moreover, they have given side as 18 centimeter. In the question, QR as 18. So it is isosceles triangle, isosceles right angle triangle. So this is also not correct answer. Second one is the right answer here. However, we will check the options. So angle R as given as 15 degrees and angle P is given as 55. So total is 70 degrees. So other angle will be, third angle will be 110, which is satisfying the first statement. And the second statement, PR, this length is also different, greater than 18 centimeter PR length, and they have given QR length. Other length will be automatically different because all angles are different. That is why. So second one is the most appropriate option.